Good morning, everyone. My name is Gulab Abami, and today I am here to present the most trending topic of the year, artificial intelligence. That can be also called a new variant of the human. We can't even notice that how our half of life is surrounded by AI. In your phone, there is AI. In his laptop, there is AI. In electric bikes, there is AI. In Tesla self-driving car, there is AI. But we can't even notice that AI is surrounded by us. So see, AI is doing a lot of wonders type of work, but if AI is a wonder, it's also a danger. While I'm telling this, you will know in this entire presentation. So before understanding artificial intelligence, we need to understand what is intelligence. So intelligence have various type of information and various type of information. But simply, we observe the environment, understand the condition, learn from it, and adapting the situation is called as an intelligence. For example, when a child is born, he has zero intelligence, but he observes the environment, what his parents are doing, what his siblings are doing, what they are doing, and he understands what is happening all around. And he learns from it, and after learning, he adapted the situation. This is also a type of intelligence. And this is a simple form of intelligence, and let's discuss what is the type of intelligence. So there are two types of intelligence which reflect to AI. First is human intelligence, and second is artificial intelligence. So let's understand what is human intelligence. So human intelligence is that intelligence which is linked with human, which is done by human, simply is human. For example, learning and memory, problem solving and thinking, abstract and creative thinking, understanding and judging, language and communication, ability of situation, and the most important, emotional and social intelligence, which AI has very less at this point of time. So let's understand what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that is focused on making robots or machines that can perform the task which require human intelligence. For example, understanding language, in which humans are talking, recognizing objects, what are the things are there, solving problems, mathematical problems, software problems, etc., and making the decisions which can humans make. So this is artificial intelligence, but there are differences between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. So first difference is slow and fast. Human intelligence is slow. We can't learn at the speed which AI can learn. We have very slow learning power than AI. Second is limited and unlimited. Human intelligence is limited, but AI has unlimited memory because of they have a huge database that AI has. And there is a reason of limited and unlimited because we have accessibility low. We have low accessibility. See, AI internet has 98% data that we can't access, and only 2% wave that we can access. And so only 2% is so big that we can't access all of that data. So see, AI has all the access of dark wave and light wave. So this is the AI has unlimited access to anything and it can learn very fast anything. But a difference between human and artificial intelligence is there that we have emotion and artificial intelligence have not emotion. And this is the differentiating factor between human and artificial intelligence. So these were different. Let's understand what are the types of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is three types. Firstly, artificial narrow intelligence. This is designed to do specific tasks like in manufacturing industry, lifting any weights or assembling anything. Second is artificial general intelligence. It can behave like human, it can think like human, but it is in development stage. Third is artificial super intelligence. This is the extreme level of intelligence of AI. It can surpass human, it is smarter than human. You think like sci-fi movies type people are human. So this was the basic overview of AI, but let's understand what are the positive use cases and what are the wonders of it. In starting, I have said that AI is a wonder, it's also a danger. Let's discuss what are the wonder side. Firstly, healthcare. We can use AI to diagnose disease with far more efficient way, in 100% accuracy, and very less time. And we can personalize treatment by in that patient by checking this one. Second is finance. Because AI has all the records of previous data, what the market see, it can predict the market trends, future market trends in better way than us. And it can also detect what is going to, what fraud has going to happen. Third is education. We can use AI in education to make the learning simply, effective, smarter, and interactive. By using 3D classes, 3D objects, or smart classes, etc. Fourth is automation. You all know Tesla. Tesla makes self-driving cars which have an autopilot mode that by putting only destination you can go through without driving. There is autopilot self-driving AI car. This is the very most used AI thing in this world. So these are the basic versions of AI, but let's discuss what are the advanced AI capabilities. So first is computer vision. Computer vision enables AI to interpret visual data using facial recognition or medical imaging, etc. Second is natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing allows AI to understand human language and also can talk to like like you talk to each other, you can talk to AI like a human with natural language processing. Third is robotics and robotics. When we combine AI, the brain of AI, with physical system, it is called robots. And the famous robots is you have all the same including robots. That robot, but it was an imaginary robot. But is that any robot real? Yes. There are two robots at this point of time. First is Optimus, which is designed by Tesla, an American company, and third is a female robot that is called Sophia. And Sophia has got the citizenship of one country. So these are the wonder side, but let's discuss one of the danger side. First danger is privacy. Because AI collects personalized data in real time, what you are talking with, what is WhatsApp message, your Instagram message, your personal message. AI has all the access to that data, and it can use that data to manipulate you, to blackmail you, and it can also be hacked and biased. There are perceived. Second is teachers. Sometimes they go for Mr. Modi, our country's Prime Minister, tweeted a video on his Twitter handle in which he was dancing. But was that video real? No. That was an AI video. The generator of the video took one picture of Mr. Modi and took a dance video and saved the face of Mr. Modi by the copyright. So see, if AI can generate a video of any country's prime minister that was not real, we are just an ordinary person. AI can do anything with our money, putting only one picture of them. And AI can create any type of video. It can be new video and to blackmail us. And by this, AI can create fake videos to spread misinformation also. Third is job replacement. So any company wants that their manpower should be intelligent, smarter, stronger, and very intelligent. So we can't compete with AI. AI is more stronger than us, more intelligent than us, more smarter than us, and it can work 24/7 without any fatigue. So any company wants that their manpower should be stronger. They will prefer humanoid robots or AI tools than us by putting it. So job replacement is the one of the major concern and environment security. And last, environment. See, we have to develop more robots and to develop more robots and AI machines. We need to have high energy consumption. So these are the basic dangers of AI. But there are extreme conditions. For example, at any point of time, if AI wants complete emotional intelligence, and they have the sense of being superior over inferior, and they know that they are more stronger, more smarter, more intelligent than humans, and we are controlling them, they can feel bad and they can think that why we should be controlled by humans. And if they think like this, they can start a cyber war against humans, and we know that we can't compete with AI until now. But it can be possible that humans can develop any new technology to compete with humans. So, meet this person. This is John McCarthy, who was the father of AI. He was an American computer scientist and cognitive scientist. And he was one of the early inventors of AI. And this person, Jeffrey Hinton, this was also known as the godfather of AI. He is a British Canadian computer scientist, cognitive scientist, clinical psychology, and he have worked on digital neural network. That our brain has a neural network. Like that, he has worked on artificial neural network, but with AI. And he has also worked about AI, that AI can be dangerous. And he said that we have to slow down the development of AI. And you all know this two person. This is Sundar Pichai and this is Elon Musk. Sundar Pichai has said that AI has legal negative consequences. It can spread misinformation by people. And Elon Musk has said the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. So the AI enthusiasts and AI experts are saying that AI can be dangerous. Then we should not ignore it. See, we have learned to use water and fire for our use, but we also should be aware of that water can drown us and fire can burn us. And AI is like that also. So at last I would like to say that AI is a double-edged sword that you can be used to revolutionize industries and improve people's lives. But it can also be used in the danger side of it. It can also be threatened to the human existence. So if AI is a wonder, it is also a danger. Thank you very much for my time. I hope you have. Thank you for giving me.